So we've just done. So Shriti's back, everyone. Hello, hello. Doing a few touch-ups after her ordeal of bruising and swelling. Shriti was one of the people that takes 50 pictures and chooses her worst 3 and sends it to me saying,
"No, I wasn't.
Look at my bruising." No, I'm joking. No, you was very good. It was only towards the end. But anyway, we've just done some temporal filling here, but we used a cannula this time. So look at this temporal compared to this one. Look how this one really does cave in. And look here, it's so much more smoother. I think you're gonna love this actually. Come take a look.
Yeah, that looks so much better. Yeah. Compared to this one, can you see it? I like it.
I think we should do a little bit more. A bit in the eyes, a little touch up on the nose. And then your uncle is Bob. Bob is your uncle. Bob's your uncle, I think the expression goes. Yeah? Don't be scared.
No.
Fear will not control you. Now, it's going to be a little bit, so it's going to be less invasive. Last time you had to do so much building around your eyes, your orbicularis, oculi, the oculi. Yeah? Don't be scared.
No.
Fear will not control you. Now, it's going to be a little bit, so it's going to be less invasive. Last time you had to do so much building around your eyes, your orbicularis, oculi, the oculi muscle was so just degraded. Now we've built it, now we just do little touch-ups, a bit of icing on the cake. No fear. Have you seen Rocky 4? When he goes, no pain, no pain. You do that. Yep, okay. So we've just done a little touch up onto the nose, and now it looks even better than it did the first time. Super straight. Okay, come over here.
Am I looking in the mirror now?
Yep, okay.
Oh my god. It's so thin, so nice. I like it.
I love it.
It's sore, but
Is it sore?
yeah. Look at it.
Good?
Yeah. Looks better, doesn't it? It's lifted. Alright, I like it.
Extremely straight now. Let's have a look. The other side.